Hello there, it's Sev here from Motorhome Dealer Group and welcome to this video guide on the Sargent AC85 control panel that you see in front of me. Very simple control panel to use, and I'm going to cover the basic functions here so that you can get up and running with your leisure vehicle that features this panel. This will not cover any deeper things like troubleshooting or anything like that. Please refer to your vehicle manuals for help in those areas. This is just a sort of surface level guide to get you up and running. So let's get started. First of all, over here we have the battery selector switch. This is a 3-position switch that allows us to choose between either the vehicle or leisure battery when wired up in that sense. Now, the middle position is going to be off. As you can see, we've now killed the power. If I go up, we have now selected the vehicle battery. And if I go down, we've now selected the leisure battery. It's worth noting that leisure vehicles are not designed to be powered on the vehicle battery. This is ideally designed to serve as a way of connecting the vehicle battery so that we can use the battery test switch to check the voltage, which I'll cover in just a moment. Some motorhome or caravan installations may also allow this switch to direct the battery charge as well from the mains powered battery charger if you have one fitted. So that means that whichever position this switch is in not only selects that as the active battery, but also therefore will be the battery that is going to be charged by the mains charger, in which case it's okay to leave on the vehicle battery because you would be charging up the battery in that instance. But yes, otherwise please make sure you are running on the leisure battery there. Next up, we have the light switch here. This can be rigged up to many different things. It can be an internal lighting circuit, or it can be an exterior light switch. It really does depend on how your particular vehicle has been wired to that switch, but it is designed to be a lights master switch. We then have your water pump master switch, which when turned on will illuminate just here to show that the pump has power. Now, depending on the type of system you have, pumps can behave in many ways, of course, but this is just the master power switch for the pump. Here we have a sprung loaded switch, and this is going to allow us to check the battery voltage, and we use the analog display there on the right hand side, which is going to show the coloured, or we're now referring to the coloured section of the gauge there to see our battery condition. So as you can see, we're nicely in the green zone there on our leisure battery. And then here we have our water tank check. So this is for the freshwater tank, and now we're going to check the bottom part of the gauge. And as you can see, we are sort of just over 1/8 full, somewhere getting close to 1/4 of a tank there. Next up, we have these 2 LEDs, and these are designed to give us indication of our wastewater or grey water levels. So we have a red when it's getting very close to being full, and we have an amber when it's about half full, if the symbology can be believed. But yes, 2-stage sensor there for your waste tank. And there we go. That about wraps up the video today, but hopefully you found that it has been informative for you. My name is Sev, and thank you very much for watching.